Welcome to Nasyas Wonders! In this video, we are going to see Uganda's National Mosque, which is located in Old Kampala Hill. Friends, please like and share my videos. New viewers, please subscribe my channel. Here we go! This is Gaddafi Mosque, also known as Uganda's National Mosque. The largest mosque in East Africa. It has a seating capacity of 20,000 worshippers. This mosque is designed in a modern, colorful structure with Arab and African touch. Miss Aisha guided us and shared a lot of info about this mosque. This is the biggest dome out of 5. The chandeliers used here are made in Egypt. Carpets are from Libya. The construction period of this mosque is from 2003 to 6 and officially opened in 2008. Glasses from Italy. A big Holy Quran. Mahogany timber from Democratic Republic of Congo is used in the mosque. Walls are embossed with Quran verses. Beautiful calligraphy. Great architecture. This is not painting. Handmade calligraphy. We are going to enter the tallest minaret to see the Kampala City in 360-degree view. We have to climb 272 steps to reach the top of minaret. Here we reach the top. Wow! From here we can view the whole Kampala City. Gaddafi Mosque receives many visitors from different countries throughout the year. Anyone can visit the mosque to witness the beauty of architecture. Currently, the renovation work is going on. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye. Bye-bye.